just taken the van to have some work done on it. So now I'm in a house. I hurt my shoulder while I was in Morzine, and it's like 10-11 weeks ago something now since I did it, and it's still screwed up, so I'm gonna go to the doctors and see what's up with it. Really don't want to screw my kitesurfing summer up. So not really as expected, to be honest. I was thinking they'd just refer me to a physio or something, but I've got to have an MRI scan, which means I'm gonna have to stay in the UK for God knows how many weeks. And I'm meant to be going to Spain like next week. I suppose I could spend some time in the UK, go into some nice places. Damn.
So I'm going over Pendle Hill one day. So that was a few weeks ago.
So Jim, is that wrong? It's taking photos?
Yeah. We're taking Gran on a tour around Lancashire.
God help us.
Houses, all this is going to get developed. So,
Yes, it is.
yeah.
You'll be able to see the mountains.
You will. The size of it.
But if they put
Look, they've started
housing
them now.
estates everywhere, look, they're doing them there.
I know, I've just said that to you.
Do you want to go in the food hall, darling?
I don't think I've got any option but to go.
Well, that's quite right. Look, here's the one we went after, James. Only you didn't want the black meat. Come here, fancy coming out like this. What did I let you come out like this? He's got Damien's coat on. Yeah, it's no good when you watch somebody.
Oh,
and
in you
they're
go.
trying to-
Right, lock the door, Alex.
This is from Wales, Alex.
Yeah. So this
I
place
think this is more expensive.
is owned by James Warburton, and he's got quite a few places, and he's just done this food hall, and then you can go through to the big long, it's the longest bar in England. We'll go through.
And they're just pale ales.
This is Whale Piglet, and this is
A pale sheep.
New England. Look, Alex. New Zealand, not England, Zealand. Tell you the story about that, but you've got to promise you won't. I can't do that because you might show someone back. Be not afraid of greatness.
Good shout.
Oh, what's this? This is all the men and women, merely players.
That is actually a microbrewery over there, so that you're actually brewing. It's Boland's blown glass is really good. The bar is actually the longest bar in circumference in England. So if you look around, apparently anyway, in England, so that's not only England.
The tanks.
Yeah, that's been.
Look at the tanks.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at all the certificates.
The dog's having her puppies.
Got another black boy.
Another black boy. Hi mate, you alright?
The only thing is that she needs to push out a bit more because the cord's still.
The van's ready to pick up, all serviced, timing chain, tension are done. But I've got no lift because Mum has to look after these puppies. My puds. So I'm getting the bus for the first time in a long time. We going on the bus, Po? We're going on the bus, Po? Yeah, we are. Morning. Yeah, single to Hayhurst Road, please.
Hayhurst Road.
Think.
Don't know where that is. Is that a Barrett Rock or a Pendle Road? Or yeah, Waller. Right, I've got to Waller, yeah. 269, please.
Cheers, Wood.
You got the right change, haven't you?
Did you take card?
No.
Cheers, dudes. Yeah. Wanna go to the back? Go on.
Sorry.
I think I should have got off back there.
Yeah. I was thinking that, and I thought, well, I might want to stop next after, and then I thought, well, I'll find out when I go for you.
I can walk back a bit.
Okay.
Cheers, dudes. See ya.
See you later.
Missed the stop, didn't I? Got a bit of a walk now. Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? Blackburn, please.
I've got some Blackburn.
Spare. Blackburn, please, dude. Yeah, yes, tidy. Cheers, mate.
Help yourself, buddy.
And back into Joyce. I'm sure I left it a bit tidier. Happy to be back in your seat, Po? Hell yeah. And still got a rattly chain. Right, anyway, off to Lidl.
Your call is important to us. Your call will be answered shortly. 124.
It's an MRI scan.
And when did they refer you?
On Wednesday.
Alright, so usually takes 6 weeks. What name is it, please? Takes 6 weeks, What name is it, please?